Atma Namaste. We humbly invoke for the blessings of the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, our spiritual teacher, and all spiritual teachers, all the great ones, all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Paramatmas, Tirthankaras, prophets, archangels, holy angels, and spiritual helpers, and with the help and the blessings of our higher souls and divine self. Thank you for the purification, strengthening, empowerment, upgradation, and alignment to be able to fulfill our part in the manifestation of the great vision, the accomplishment of the divine plan on this Mother Earth. Thank you for your priceless, constant downpour of infinite blessings. We thank you in full faith, with deepest gratitude, deep reverence and respect, and lots of love. We thank you. Atma Namaste. Let us talk about the importance of inner peace and happiness. You see, unless you are peaceful, unless you are standing on the firm ground of peace, जब तक आप अपने आप को स्थिरता से, शांति से अपने ज़िंदगी को नहीं चलाते हो, आप किसी और को खुशी या शांति नहीं दे सकते हो. Only when you are standing on firm ground is it possible to help other people come out of their miseries, their issues, and their problems. If I want to help the world, I need to start by helping myself. If I want to see this world as a beautiful and a peaceful place, I need to start by bringing myself into unshakable peace. Into unshakable peace. This is the truth of the matter. So when I will bring myself into a state of equilibrium, into happiness, into peace which is unshakable by the cyclones and the earthquakes of life, I would have achieved my target. Then I am in a position to tell other people to pull up their socks. हम तब ही भाषण दे सकते हैं जब हमने कुछ अपने ज़िंदगी में कर लिया है. I would be in a position to tell others what to do or what not to do only if I have done it for myself. This is the absolute truth. So let us understand, we are all children of God. We are all children of Most High. Everybody is evolving. Everybody is finding higher and higher, greater and greater peace and happiness. We are trying to find greater peace, greater happiness, greater peace, greater happiness. This is exactly what I am trying to do constantly. Let me understand that everyone whom I would be hating at this point of time, against whom I would have grudges, who would make me insecure, who would fill me up with fear, all of these people are children of God, and everybody is actually miserable in their own lives. It is that misery of their own life that is reflecting into what I am seeing as my misery. When I think, then somebody is hurting me, somebody is annoying me, that person is already hurt, that person is already annoyed, he already has enough grudges in his life. So the point here is empathy. When I have empathy, I can push out, throw out all unnecessary thought patterns, grudges, anxieties, my imagined hatreds, my imagined pains that have been given by others to me, when they are pushed out, I can empathize with people around me. And empathy is the other name for forgiveness. If I am able to empathize, then I have already mustered the courage of forgiveness. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Be aware of your Ajna Chakra and be aware of the Crown Chakra. You may touch your Ajna Chakra and intend to erase any past haunting memory. Any memory of the past which seems to be haunting you, please intend to erase it. Say to yourself, I am not the thought, I am not the body, I am not the emotions, I am not the mind. I am a spiritual being of divine intelligence, divine love, and divine power. I am one with my higher soul. I am one with the Paramatma. I am a child of God. We are all children of God. We are connected with God and one with God. With this understanding, I erase my deep rooted pain and those memories and those past flashbacks which seem to come to me. I erase them. And when I erase them, I replace them with my own freedom and power that I have regained, my own confidence, my good health, and my confidence I have regained. Erase, erase, erase. We are all children of God. We are all children of Most High. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Disintegrate this completely, thoroughly, eliminate it. All our own weaknesses, all our hatred, all tendencies of injuring others and oneself be thoroughly disintegrated. So be it. I don't want these thoughts of injury which play back again and again and again, because I am the soul. And the soul is a very beautiful, peaceful being. And I am that beauty and peace. I am a being of great freedom and power and great confidence. I choose to empathize. I choose to forgive and let go of the past. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om.